Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday, and happy Friday to you all. It's April 11th. We got two economic news releases. So we'll start with the biggie, and that's the producer price index. Actually, it's not the real biggie. This is the wholesale numbers for the inflation on the wholesale levels here. Now we had a negative back in February, negative 0.1%. Now the forecast was supposed to go up to a modest 0.1%, and it actually jumped up to 0.5. Now, if you strip out the food and energy, you get the core, and actually it was even, we didn't put it on here today, but it was actually higher at 0.6% in March, so a lot higher when you strip out the food and energy in here. Now, this is actually kind of a good news because it's been on a low level. The Fed's been wanting to spike the inflation a little bit because it's at alarmingly too low of levels, and there's concern about deflation here. So this is actually pleasant surprise, even though this isn't taken into account because sometimes wholesale doesn't always get passed on to the consumer, but hopefully this may translate into that range. We also got today the consumer sentiment. This is the survey that's done by University of Michigan for the month of April, and the first gauge was at last reporting was at 80, and it was supposed to have a slight uptick to 80.8, and it came in at 82.6, so decent numbers today. Normally the producer price index would kind of spook people, but because inflation's been so low that they've been wanting it to spike it, and that's actually coming in at good news today. So let's go ahead and take a look at the stock market, and today the stock market is still down. Now the reason for it, again, this week is a lot of its earnings reports that are coming in, and they're drawing most of the attention on the earnings this week. Let's go ahead and take a look at bonds, see how that's taking a look. So we started the day up higher, even though we're down so far for the day. We started the day up higher, and currently we're about 10 basis points where we left off yesterday. So not quite enough for a price change for better, but we're on the verge of a possible improvement. So it depends on where this goes. If it goes in a downward trend, obviously rates could remain the same, or it depends. If it drops a lot, then it could obviously worsen. But if it goes up, then we could have a price improvement from yesterday. So we had some nice numbers yesterday. As you can see, we had that long wick and it pulled back a little bit yesterday. So, but we're on the verge of at least decent rates today. All right, so it's about the same so far this morning. We're about the same where we left off yesterday. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you guys on Monday. Monday should be a little bit more of a normal day as I'll be back from vacation. You guys have a wonderful day. Take care.